Uh, the long is somewhere down here. And I will say this, but I don't want to work it through. If the market, well, first of all, it went a little bit lower. That's the outlier. But if the market goes higher and then comes back lower, you may be able to find the trade. You can find a trade. You can find a trade um, uh, when the market reverses to a support area, even though the market went higher. And it seems like the market's going lower. You can still take the trade if you're comfortable that the market is at support. And so, and what I'm really saying is this thing with two bar reversals or support resistance areas, they're tricky right at the support resistance. It's just the way it is. And and when you draw range boxes or even support resistance lines, you can have outliers, and in one blip, the market takes out your trade unless you want to stay and hold the trade. And what I would say, I would try, if I were trading this market, I'd try to get in at this support area here. If I had gotten in it somewhere and it's doing this, I know it can break down and go a lot lower, but I think it's going to get to here. And I don't know what the range is, but because I don't see it, I didn't put it in. Well, this is 1 point. That's a $5,000 move. So it's a pretty big range here. But you can work it. You can work the market. Remember, I try to show you when something's at a two-bar reversal, like here. I would tell you, I don't know when I said it here, but sometimes I'll get you a two-bar reversal. Then the market goes higher, and then it comes back to where it had the reversal, and then now it's a two-bar reversal lower. But if you know that the market has fairly significant support here, you can trade that. You can wait for a market that you missed because it went in the direction that you like, but you got too late. You got too late to it. You didn't do it, so you missed the entry. And sometimes they'll come back and do a test. And once you get familiar with this, you just say, "Well, I'll let it come back." And even though it's coming back to where it went higher, and I'll take the trade because I think all in all the market's going to go higher. Why would you think it on something like this? Because the market has support, does this, it's going higher and lower, but eventually it does. It basically never